Hello. Wanting to show you a workaround wherein your company may be using different AP accounts for AP purchase invoices, and you would like to have an aging report that will segregate the output per AP GL account. What you can do with that one is you can create a custom report. It's called the object will be the supplier aging report here. And if you look at the columns, you can display the applicable columns. So in this case, you can have the supplier aging in here. But more importantly is that if you expand that further, you have the supplier aging line detail. Then you have the AP account there, and you can display the AP account title. Right. So yeah, it's going to be as simple as that. And you can have a calculated column just to get the running balance basically for the supplier. So total in here is just a summation of all the different tiers of aging. And yeah, this report I filtered it specifically to a customer, just for me to, or supplier rather, just for me to be able to verify the results. So let's have a look first at the AP purchase invoices as well. So I have this two AP purchase invoices. You will notice in here, they're actually partially paid. The original amounts are 110 and 220. If you look at this one here, the first one, yep, so the first one is partially paid by 60, so it's 50. And the posting detail for this one here is 210, 21 110 non-trade payable. And the other AP purchase invoice, and which is this one, and this is paid by 50, so 170 remains, but this AP purchase invoice is posting to 2100. All right, so 2100 in there. So let's run this report. You can run report, and you can also change the as of date in here. So I'm basing it in GL posting dates, and yeah, we can probably see as well the payments on this one here. So I'll just run it as of this date. So I have the two payments already. So I think one is in the 3rd. So let's change it to the 3rd instead. 3rd of October. And click on view. And let's see the result here. So I have 170, right? And 150. But if I change this to the 7th, I believe, and you will see there 170.50 as well. But if I change it on the, let's just check first on the payments being done. So this is number 1. We have the payment made on 7th. All right. While the other one, 7th, we have on the 3rd. Right. Okay, let's run this again. On the 3rd there, view. Total amount is 270, right? 270. But if we change this on the 7th, let's see what we can derive out of this report. So notice that the amount actually changed to 220 because one payment was done on the 3rd, while one payment was done on the 7th. So it decreased basically from the 3rd to the 7th. So yes, so you can make use of this one here. If you look at this report, it's actually grouped per APGL account, this one here. And yep, so you have the AP account in there. So you will notice in here you have accounts payable, non-trade payable, and yep, so this will aid you in reconciling with the GL report, basically, right? So now that you have your AP aging based on APGL account, then you can use this as a subsidiary ledger together with your AP ledger report and match the same with the balance sheets appearing to your respective APGL accounts. So hopefully this recording helps in coming up with supplier aging report that is grouped based on AP accounts that will aid in reconciling your AP subsidiary ledger with the balance sheets AP accounts. Thank you.